Hello everyone, my name is Tre'Darrius Brown and today I will be going over the physiological anatomy of skeletal muscles. First here I have the sarcomere, and the way that I remember the sarcomeres in the different Z-discs or zones is I use the pneumatic, which I have displayed above using the letters Z, H, M, I, and A. While I'm explaining the different discs and zones of the sarcomere, I will also show how I will implement the pneumatics. So I will start off with the Z disk. So the letter Z is at the end of the alphabet. So the Z disk can also represent that this here and this here is the end of each sarcomere. And for the H zone, the letter H is thicker, it's on the thicker side. So H for thick. In the H zone here, they're composed of the thick filaments, which is also known as the myosin filaments. And for the I band, it's right here, the letter I. So I'm so sorry, the letter I. The I here is thin. So here in this region right here, I know that these blue striated lines here will represent the thin filaments, which is also called the actin filament. So for the A band, A is for all. The first letter of all is A. So within this A band, it is composed of both the thin actin filament as well as the thick myosin filament. So I will be starting at the epimysium. The epimysium, as shown here, is a sheet that surrounds the entire muscle, and the epimysium provides structural support as well as protecting each individual muscle fiber within it. The paramecium, the paramecium surrounds the bundle of muscle fibers, which is also called the fascicle, and it helps facilitate the distribution of the blood vessels as well as the nerves to the muscle fibers. Now, I discussed the fascicles and muscle fibers. So the sarcolemma is the membrane of the muscle fiber. So the sarcolemma's job is to re- The sarcolemma's job is to see what ions go in and what come out. And because of that, this is how the contractile unit is applied to the muscle fiber. And here I have the myofibril. The myofibril is the contractile structure within the muscle fiber. And the contraction actually occurs whenever the sliding of the actin, which is the thin filament, and the myosin, which is the thicker filament, starts to slide. And the motor neurons. The motor neurons actually transmit the electrical signal from the central nervous system back to the muscle fibers. The blood capillaries. The blood capillary exchanges the oxygen as well as the nutrients and waste. And the endomysium. The endomysium is a connective tissue that surrounds each individual muscle fiber. And the blood vessels. The blood vessels the blood vessels is the blood vessel delivers the oxygen and the nutrients to the muscle fibers. The deep fascia. So the deep fascia surrounds and separates not each individual muscle. The deep fascia surrounds and separates the muscles. And the tendon. The tendon connects the muscle fiber to the bone. Thank you.